Guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been posting a lot recently. This is my third or fourth video in the last 2 days. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is my slime collection. Slime is this 8-ounce purple one with glitter. It has a bunch of slime beads as well. This one is probably one of my oldest slimes. This one I'm really excited to show you guys because it's an avalanche slime. I have not mixed this together yet. Hopefully it is. Okay, yeah, it is fully activated. Oh, it feels so nice. And the color is a lot more prettier in real life than on camera. Slime is my really long, crunchy slime. Slimes are all my minis. So here I have this one. I don't even know. This one is probably my oldest one out of all of these. Like every single slime that I have right now. This one is really thick. This one also has a bunch of hollow glitters in it. My pink bubblegum slime, and I have not played with this in about 2 months. And this hasn't melted yet. This one is really nice, and it smells like bubblegum. My next slime is this really small green glitter slime. This one's really pretty. Food-related slimes, except for this one. So this one is vanilla pancake batter, and it's a really thick butter slime. is this slime with Java chips. It has a really thick and chocolatey base with some black dots. Is one of my favorites. It has a really soft butter texture. But there is a dry part in this because I haven't played with this in a really long time. And it has gotten thicker. So next I have this metallic slime. And the footage of me mixing it together was so bad that I couldn't add it in this video. So sorry about that. But the slime is really pretty mixed together. And it has really nice bubble pops. First I'm gonna start off with this one, and this is, I don't really like this one. So let's see. Okay, so this is completely melted. Well, not completely, it still has a slimy feel, but it's basically melted. So we're just gonna skip this one. This next one is one of my favorites. This one is my chocolate chip ice cream, mint chocolate chip ice cream. This one has a super clicky base. And also a really nice ice cream texture with Java chips. So it has really nice bubble pops. This one, and I have decided to name this one the Love Universe because it's so pretty and just reminds me of a galaxy. Actually, Love Galaxy, yeah, not Love Universe. So this one has a really pretty pink and purple color shifting pigment and a bunch of pretty glitter. Most of the glitter is at the bottom still. I'm going to try to get that out for you guys. This one is really gorgeous and super clicky and jiggly. So I did activate it a little bit because it was too sticky to properly play with. The last slime is this one, and this is my favorite, probably my favorite slime out of all of these. This is a really thick slime with a thick base, and this one is called Fruity Crunch.
It's so thick. Enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.